to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Naughty Hawaii. I go by Beauty Rebellion. Today's video is yet again another hair tutorial. Today's video is in collaboration with Wiggins Hair Company. They sent me over this bone straight bust down middle part, y'all, and it's a frontal wig, and I didn't have to do much to get it to look like this. Honestly, y'all, the wig came bomb right out of the box. So if you want to learn all about this wig and how I installed it really quickly, really easily, real demure, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting out with my hair freshly washed. I washed my hair in the shower this morning and it's pretty much air dried. If you guys do not know and you're not familiar with my channel, I recently cut my hair into a bob. So this is the length of it. It's like a blunt cut bob. I'm just gonna go ahead. My hair was already in a ponytail earlier when I walked Milo. So I'm just gonna go ahead again and just push my hair back into a low pony. My ponytail holder, add that on there. And there we go. We're going to put our wig on top of it. It is nice and flat, so my wig should be good. Again, guys, the wig that we'll be installing in today's video is from Wiggins Hair Company. They sent us over their 26-inch 13x4 lace frontal wig. This is what the wig looks like right out of the box, guys. Pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything. It looks like the lace is also pre-plucked, so that is a plus. Like I said, guys, this wig is 26 inches. The hair feels amazing. Y'all, I've worked with Wiggins Hair Company a few times and every single time it has been a good experience. So I'm actually really excited to install this wig. Again, guys, this is their straight texture. I'm not sure, I don't know why I thought that they were sending me body waves, but yeah, guys, this is their straight texture. And I will say the hair feels very dense. So it feels like there's a lot of hair in here. So that is a plus. Let's go ahead and try our wig on right out of the box and see how it looks.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this. Hey, bitch, I do rich shit. My money deep. Hey, walk with a limp. I'm on some pimp shit. Hey, you say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit.
This is a small cap size. This is what it looks like right out of the box, guys. The hair feels so good, so silky, so good. This is what it looks like. I honestly will not have to do much to this wig because it already looks so good. So first thing first, guys, like I said, this is going to be an easy install. I'm just going to go ahead and take my spray and I'm going to spray around the hairline.
I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both of us.
And just so that spray does not clump up around the lace, we're going to go ahead and comb it through. Make sure those hairs in the front are going backwards.
Why do you so freedom? Darling, you give, but you cannot take love.
Guys, now that the wig is tacked down and we have our lace band on, we're going to go ahead and let that sit for a few minutes while we get the rest of the hair together. I do want to keep this hair in its natural straight texture, so I'm just going to go ahead and press the hair nice and flat. The hair did come straight, but as you guys can see, when the wig is coming to you, it might get bent up. They have to put it in the box to come to you. So you might have to go ahead and press it a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do now.
Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love.
Y'all, look at that. I literally just pressed my flat irons through the hair a few times, not too much, and the hair feels amazing, honestly. It feels so silky, so soft. I absolutely love it, y'all. Look at that. So good. Our hair is nice and straight. I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and just make sure the top of the hair is nice and flat before we take our edges off.
How you feeling, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Kissing you here, fucking you right, loving you there, loving you right. Fuck with a pro.
So now that it's nice and flat, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my edge band off. Y'all, this looks so good. Did y'all notice I didn't even take the lace off the front yet? This looks so bomb. This looks bomb. Y'all, I'm so hyped. This looks so good. I have somewhere to go right after I film this video, so I'm not changing. I'm keeping this wig on. This looks so good. Like, I haven't did like bone straight hair in a while, so I'm actually pretty excited about wearing like a bust down middle part today. So let's go ahead and cut this lace off the front.
In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the when I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just left every nigga in a race. I really might tap, really stick on my face. Little CC, let it slap with the babe. I used to say hoes with a.
So I'm cutting the lace off, guys, and around the ear, it is a little bit long for my ears, which I never really have a problem with, to be honest, because you can always go in and just customize it to your head. So I do think that it is good when the lace is a little bit longer. Sometimes. I'm not gonna say it's good, but I will say it works when the lace is a little bit longer, because then you can go in and like customize it and cut it around your ear to match your head frame. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do now. I'm just cutting around my ear tabs so that I can pull my ears out easily.
Got a gun on my allowance, so I gotta rewrite it. The nigga looking like I got a $1 million, got the truck jumping like time when I rebound, then I'm out. They ain't never talk about it. Homie squad, movie girl, smoke the loudest. Rich niggas in the really being modest in the world.
Next, I'm gonna go in with my melting spray, and I'm gonna put that on the back of my hand. I don't wanna spray it directly on the lace. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand and take the end of my edge brush, the side that does not have a brush or a comb, and I'm gonna dip it in there and then just press the edges of the lace into my skin.
Like, don't be in a humble life. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. All the hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life.
Girl, I'm not gonna lie. I'm obsessed. I think it looks so good. I literally don't want to do anything else to it. This looks so good, y'all. But let's go ahead and define that part a little bit. I'm gonna take my eyebrow brush because it still has a little bit of product on it, and I'm just gonna add that to the part to define it a little bit. And honestly, y'all, I think I did a little bit too much, but I can fix that later. This is pretty much what the wig looks like, y'all. It was bomb right out of the box, and it is bomb now that I put a few of my little finishing touches on it. I think it looks so good. No complaints, no negatives about this wig, guys. All pros, all pros. I will go ahead and link all the details to this wig down below in my description box in case you guys are interested in purchasing it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again to Wiggins Hair Company for sending me this bomb wig. If you enjoyed this video, or if you plan on purchasing this wig, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, leave me some feedback down below in my comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Smooches.
Good, you can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.